In this video, we will show you how to sum columns and rows in Google Sheets. The sum function can be used to add either selected cells or entire columns and rows in Google Sheet. Let's say we have a sales sheet and want to figure out the total sales per month and total sales according to each employee. We will be using the sum function to make total sales of each month appear on the top over here, and the total sales of each employee appearing next to their names over here. In Google Sheets, we can use a full column reference to add up all the values in the column. First, we will enter the equals to sign followed by the sum function. Next, to use a full column reference, we will enter the reference like a range. So, if we enter, for example, D, you can see that the entire column D is selected here. Notice that the values start at cell D3. So rather than making the selection from the start, we will change the first cell reference from D to D3. Now Google Sheets will add up all the values in every cell present in column D, starting from cell D3. This is helpful since whenever we add more data in the column, you can see that the total for the month is automatically updated. We can copy and paste the same formula for the remaining cells. Now let's calculate the total for each account manager. We will start by entering the equals to sign followed by the sum function. Similar to adding up the entire column, a full row reference is entered like a range as well. Over here, we will use the row reference. So for example, we will enter 3:3 for the range. You can see that all the cells in row 3 are now selected. Since the values begin with column D, row 3, let's change the initial reference to D3. Once we hit enter, you can see that the function has calculated the total for the entire row. We can copy and paste the same formula for the remaining rows as well. Now, when we add more sales data for the remaining months, you can see that the total of sales for every account manager is automatically updated.